folks, here we are, just cleaning by the university today. Got the generator on because it just wasn't exactly convenient to plug in, but that just shows you the flexibility of the electric system. Here we are walking, actually, 100 feet away. There we go, some grimy carpet for cleaning. Just showing you the versatility coming out here. Clean it down here. We're about 125 feet away from the truck mount. Cleaning at about on the 8th floor with the 4-jet green glide, 4 number 2s at a PSI about 400 degrees and about 220 at the wall. Call rental here, so there you go. Thank you.